Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, just look at that hair. Amazing, isn't it? So today's video is going to show you how to cornrow on someone else's hair. If you're new here, welcome to the braiding community, the natural hair community. Welcome to my channel, basically. And I just want to tell you that if you like what you see, there's no point waiting. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know every time I post. So today's video, I will show you how I cornrow on someone else's hair. Last week, I showed a video on how I cornrow on my own hair. And if that wasn't clear enough, I've done another video on someone else's hair so you can see from a different angle. His hair is amazing. Okay, so I've parted the first line and I'm going to put a little bit of product on it just to ensure that the flyaway hairs are all put into the hair. This is optional, you don't need to, but it's all up to you, what kind of look you're trying to achieve. We were going for a slightly sleek look, and that's why. So the product also helps me part the line a bit more clearer. And as usual, if you know me, you always know that when I'm doing my parting, I use the rat tail comb. This gives me the best precision when I'm parting. So I always ensure that I'm working on detangled hair. So this is how it goes. So you split the first line into 3. 1, 2, 3, and then you move the one on the left into the middle and the one on the right into the middle. So this is what you do all through the length of the hair. But every time you're moving the hair from the left into the middle or the right into the middle, you're also adding hair on that section into the braid. So you're incorporating the hair. You can manually add it if you're new to braiding, or you can just allow it fall into your fingers as normal. But like I always say, braiding takes practice. And when you practice, you become better. So braiding is not something that you watch and do. You have to actually do it and you'll be able to get it right. So like I said, I move from the left into the middle and from the right into the middle. So I keep repeating this along the length of the hair. And the reason I say you should work on the tangled hair is because every time you go through the hair, like see what's going on there, if it's not detangled, you get stuck. So detangled hair is always a must when you're doing cornrows or doing braids in general. So if you're getting value from this video, please hit the like button and leave in the comments any questions you have. Do you think this was clear enough? Do you think you understood what I said in this video? Let me know, because I would like to make it even more clearer and make you understand even better. So what I'm doing there, just like I always say, is doing a 3-strand plait along the length of the hair. Wow, the hair never ceases to amaze me. I mean, the volume and density of this hair is just so beautiful. It's beautiful. So I'm parting the second line. This is going to be the second cornrow. So if you see what's going on there, you can see that there's a little bit of resistance because the hair wasn't detangled properly. And this is why you need to ensure that the hair is detangled so that you do not struggle or you do not end up with breakage due to, pulling out of frustration. So ensure that your hair is detangled and moisturized before you do the cornrow. So I'm just going to carry on with the bigger comb because I know that comb will help me with detangling a bit. And then I'm just going to get into the whole new braid. So using clips and hair ties is really important when braiding because clips helps to section the hair away and so that it doesn't get into the braid you're trying to do. No one wants to do a braid completely and find hair that wasn't meant to be in that braid stuck in there. That's the most annoying thing ever because you can't really pull it out without breaking your hair. and nobody wants that. Let me tell you a little backstory. Do you know how I braided this hair? Like, I did not plan to braid this hair on the day I was braiding this hair. Basically, my family, my in-law came to the house with his friend. This is his friend, and I saw his hair all blow dried, and it was just, my hands were itching me. I was like, can I braid your hair? And he said yes. And his friend said, oh, I'll record it. And that's how we did this video. So it's actually a funny story. And that's probably why it's not as detangled as I would have wanted, because if I was to braid the hair from scratch, I would have probably gone through the blow dryer or made sure that it was stretched and detangled. So you get the gist a bit. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm going to detangle, comb through with a big comb. I've put the product already, and I'm going to begin the next braid. So keep watching. So split the hair into 3 as usual. This one is not in close range, but if you watch what my hands are doing, you'll be able to get it. And then move it from left into the middle, and from the right into the middle. Again, left into the middle, and right into the middle. And every time you move from either the left to the right, the middle becomes the new left and new right, if you get the drift. So left into the middle, middle becomes the new left, right into the middle, right becomes the middle becomes the new right. I hope what I'm saying is making sense. So I'm going to leave a link in the description. I've got a braiding group on Facebook where I teach people how to braid. I mentor people, and there are other mentors in the group as well. So if you would like to learn how to braid and you actually kind of need one-to-one support, it's free for now. It's free. You can join the group, and if you're a visual learner, that would be amazing because you'll be able to catch fast. But like I say, and I would always say, braiding takes practice. So I hope you're getting value from this video, and if you are, like I said again, please give me a thumbs up. So when you get into the swing of things when braiding, you find out that your speed increases, your precision increases, improves, and everything just kind of flows. It's almost like your hand does the work. You don't need to think about what you're actually doing, so you just let your hands do what they're meant to do, basically. So that is the second braid done. I'm going to go into the next braid in a minute, and I hope that what you've seen so far has helped you one way or the other. So this is the final braid because I had done the other 2 off camera, and this is just the final braid. So I did 5 braids as well. So exactly what I did in the other braids is what I did in this one. So I split the hair into 3 and move it from the left into the middle and from the right into the middle. And then I just carry on all the way to the end of the braid. Yeah, so I just carried on. I did it in fast forward at this point because you can't really see clearly, and I didn't want to waste your time, so I just fast forwarded the whole thing. But you can see what is going on. I'm basically just going along the length of the hair and just braiding it. So this is a 3-strand plait, and you can see how to make a 3-strand plait in this video if you want to. So that's everything, guys. This really looks pretty. He's such a cute boy, handsome boy I should say, and yeah, he has beautiful hair as well. So yeah, that's everything for now. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and let me know what you would like to see in the next video. Bye.